Next is your MRI. Your MRI now usually gives us the mental picture, okay, of the electromagnetic energy inside the brain. Okay? So, usually pag MRI of the brain, ganito yung itsura, no? May nakaharang sa ulo because we wanna target the specific area in the brain para makita natin yung electromagnetic energy. Okay. Na makikreate niya and makikita natin dun yung structure ng brain mismo. Okay. Now, one of the responsibilities that we have to do here is we have to explain the procedure and of course, yung secure ng consents, we want to make sure na nakapag-consent si patient, na-explain siya ng mabuti ng doktor. Aside from that, we want to check the clients if they have pacemakers, surgical implants, orthopedic clips, or shrapnels, yung mga metallic implants that can hinder the electromagnetic energy being emitted by the MRI. Pag meron, you have to tell the doctor para ma-inform kung ano yung mga next steps na pwedeng gawin in the absence of MRI. Okay? Aside from that, pre-screening forms. So, kasama po yung pre-screening forms. So, usually sa pre-screening forms, nandyan kung may mga instruments, si patient, metallic instruments, may mga implants, doon natin siya ginagawa. And since this is a hollow machine, okay, we have to check for claustrophobia or phobia ng closed spaces. Now, if meron siyang phobia sa closed spaces or if the patient cannot tolerate that narrow space inside the MRI machine, then we need to sedate the patient. So, we will going to ask the help of the anesthesiologist para ma-sedate si patient. Or if the patient, if wala siyang claustrophobia, siya naman ay restless, okay, or disoriented, bibigyan natin siya ng sedation.